In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use, disable, and remove Boolean modifiers in Blender. Booleans are a powerful way to cut, combine, or intersect objects, and they're perfect for things like creating holes, slots, or complex shapes without manually editing every polygon. Let's walk through a clean, beginner-friendly workflow so you can control Booleans confidently and know exactly how to remove or disable them when you need to. First, add a starting object, press Shift plus A, go to Mesh, and choose Cube. This cube will be the main object that carries the Boolean modifier. Think of it as the base that will show the result. Keep it selected and positioned where you want to see the effect. Next, add the second object, the one that will drive the Boolean. Press Shift plus A again, Mesh, and choose UV Sphere. This sphere is the cutting or joining object. Move or scale it so it overlaps the cube where you want the Boolean to happen. The overlap area is where you'll see the change. Now apply a Boolean modifier to the cube. With the cube selected, open the modifier panel, click Add Modifier, and choose Boolean. In the Boolean settings, set the object to the sphere. You can use the eyedropper or pick it from the list. You should immediately see the Boolean effect in the viewport. If you're experimenting, leave it unapplied for now so it stays non-destructive and easy to tweak. If you decide you don't want the Boolean at all and you haven't applied it yet, simply go back to the modifier panel and click the X on the Boolean modifier. That completely removes the effect and returns the cube to its original state. If you already clicked apply earlier, the geometry on the cube is permanently changed. In that case, you can't undo the Boolean by removing a modifier because there isn't one anymore. Your only way back is to press Ctrl plus Z, assuming it's still in your undo history. This is why it's smart to hold off on applying until you're sure. If you want to remove the Boolean object from the scene, select the sphere and press X, then delete. This deletes the cutter object. Keep in mind this only works as expected if the Boolean modifier was applied. Otherwise, the cube still depends on the sphere to show the effect. Finally, to disable the Boolean temporarily, open the modifier panel on the cube and click the screen icon to hide the Boolean effect in the viewport. Click the camera icon to hide it in the final render. This is great for quick comparisons without losing your setup, and that's it. Clean, controlled Booleans from start to finish.